Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your chicken under 30 minutes or about so. So you cut your chicken in a very small pieces and then put olive oil on a pan and then chicken and then half of the onion. Then make them like this golden color. Oh, it smells really good. Then you add a little bit of carrots. Oh yes, salt and pepper. Also, don't forget salt and pepper. After that, we're gonna add some red sauce with mayonnaise. Just a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise. So let's add the red sauce to it. And we have to make our fire a little low. Like I put it on a 4. Less than a mediums anyways. And now we're gonna just cook just about 10-15 minutes. Also, let's add some parsley to it. It will give a really good flavor. Yeah, this chicken is gonna taste so good. Really easy to make, really good taste. Let's add some parsley. Also, as a side dish, I'm gonna cook some spaghetti pasta. So it's gonna be really good. Yeah, that's how you make your chicken. Really fast and really easy.